Hi guys, welcome to Quality Thought. Here if I say once again, this is Mohammed Abdullah. I am a full stack Python development with DSA, AI and generative AI trainer here in Quality Thought. So today we are going to discuss about few questions. So question number 1, can we learn front-end technologies with generative AI? Question number 2, if I say can we learn front-end technologies with generative AI, the answer is what? Yes. Then how? So solution here in Quality Thought. So next one, sir, yes, front-end technology can be used in AI ML application, okay, in two primary ways. First one, to develop the complete user interfaces or front end for AI ML application. Second one, by using AI ML tools to assist complete front end development and user interface process itself. Okay, so next one, if I say if we learn front end technologies with generative AI course, how many positions are waiting in IT companies? First one is positions for front end technologies. First one, JavaScript developer. Second one, Angular developer. And third one, React.js developer. Okay, so next one, if I say let us understand roadmap of front-end technologies with generative AI. Okay, so my first question is, what is front-end technology? Okay, a front-end can be represented as a user or end user, what they're seeing in front of their screen after hitting any URL of any web application, that is called front end. For example, let us understand practically in the practical world. Sir, what is front end technology? If I say, sir, I want to travel from one state to another state. I want to travel from one state to another state. Sir, I want to book the tickets online, okay, for trains, sir. So if you want to book the tickets for trains to travel from one state to another state, or let's say from Hyderabad to Andhra or Visakhapatnam, so if you want to book the tickets online, so if I say there is an web applications are called IRCTC web application. Once if you click on IRCTC web application, if you search in your mobile device or tab or any laptop, if you search for IRCTC, after clicking on first link on IRCTC, you can see one front end. So that is called, whatever if you see, that is called front end. So using front end technologies, we will develop what's here complete front end or complete user interfaces for any web application. So now, so what are the front end technologies we are going to discuss in the front end technology and generative AI roadmap? So if I say in the front end technology, initial in the beginning stage, we will try to understand HTML and HTML5. The next one, CSS and CSS3 along with Tailwind CSS. And next one, very important technology in the front end technologies, that is called JavaScript. JavaScript is a very important technologies to if you want to develop any web application user interfaces or front end of any web application. So now if I say, sir, as I told you, what is the backbone of front end technologies, that is called JavaScript, sir. Here if I say, sir, what are the JavaScript topics we have to be prepared, sir, what? Okay, first one, if I say, sir, overview of JavaScript and some topics called DOM objects, or what? DOM topic. Then if I say promises, callback function, high order function and closures, and if I say, sir, what? Async and await, these are the very important topics in JavaScript, not only which will help you to crack the interview if you want to work as a front-end developer or what in IT companies, or front-end developer position like JavaScript developer, okay, Angular developer or React.js developer, so JavaScript plays the very important role, sir, what to develop the any user interface or front end of any web application as per the business needs of the company, sir. Then after JavaScript, we will go to Bootstrap latest version, sir, what like why, if I say short definition, why Bootstrap, sir? Bootstrap is meant for responsive web application. If I say what is responsive, assume that whatever web application user interface we are developing, it must be open in every device. That is called device compatibility. If you want to see the web application on your mobile phone, on your tab, on your laptop or any touch screen mobile phone, that is called responsive web application. If you want to develop responsive web applications or what, we will use Bootstrap, sir. Then after Bootstrap, sir, what we have AngularJS and Angular frameworks or what along with React.js, sir. So now this is the completely front-end technologies part. If you are very strong in the front-end technologies like JavaScript, Bootstrap, Angular and React, so after development structure, sir, if I say our course like name is can we learn front-end technologies with generative AI? As I told you, yes. So after like complete front-end development process is completed, we will enter in generative AI. For further details, like my dear aspirants and like new or new youth generation, if you need more inquiry for further server details, please contact to Quality Thought in below number, sir. Thank you, guys.